According to the Toncoin price forecast and technical analysis, in 2023, the Toncoin price is projected to surpass an average price of $2.62. The anticipated minimal price value of Toncoin by the end of the current year should be $2.53. Moreover, the maximum price for Toncoin in September 2023 could reach $2.83, while the maximum price for Toncoin could reach $2.49. The minimum price for Toncoin in September 2023 is $2.29, while the average price is $2.38. Price forecast for Toncoins in October 2023. In October 2023, the price of a Toncoin is anticipated to range between $2.31 and $2.61, with an average price of $0.42. Toncoin pricing forecast in November 2023. The price of a Toncoin is anticipated to range between $2.41 and $2.70, with an average price of $2.52. Price forecast for Concoin in December 2023. In December 2023, it is anticipated that the price of Toncoin will reach a minimum value of $2.53. Toncoin is having trouble joining the ranks of other crypto coins. The Toncoin price has decreased by -4.780% in the past month, erasing an average of 11 cents from its current value. This sudden decline indicates that the coin is currently in a dip, presenting a good buying opportunity for fast investment. The 90-day price change is approximately -2.30%, and the price ranged from a minimum average price of $1.70 to a maximum average price of $2.29. In the past 90 days, the price of Toncoin decreased by -0.60%, with the highest average price being $2.48 and the lowest average price being $1.30. What will the value of Toncoin be in 2023? The price of a Toncoin is anticipated to range between $2.83 and $2.53. Does Toncoin have a price future at the end of 2023? Toncoin has an outstanding potential to attain new heights. According to specific specialists and business analysts, Toncoin's value will rise in the future. Toncoin could reach its highest price of $12.95 by 2030. Is Toncoin a good investment in 2023? The value of Toncoin is anticipated to continue to rise as scarcity tends to encourage price increases. Please note that there is risk associated with any investment. Invest only in what you can accomplish and conduct as much research as possible before drawing any conclusions. Normal and Square will take any money that comes in if it becomes popular and well-known worldwide. Bitcoin has exceeded these expectations. Since Dorsey's first port, the price of the cryptocurrency has surged from $25,000 to $75,000, a phenomenal 220% increase. Bitcoin is no longer a small portion of the financial world, it is now a global phenomenon that is widely used and recognized. This speech was not the end of Dorsey's journey with Bitcoin. In fact, it was only the beginning. In 2018, Square, a company he co-founded that provides financial services, added Bitcoin trading to its Cash App so users could purchase, sell, and hold Bitcoin. He has invested in Bitcoin infrastructure and worked on projects to make Bitcoin simpler to use and more accessible as Bitcoin continues to change and shape the future of finance and technology. Jack Dorsey's early support and continued commitment to the cryptocurrency demonstrate how revolutionary Bitcoin is and how it could alter the way standard financial system items function. Cryptocurrencies traded in a holding pattern on Wednesday after the latest Consumer Price Index (CPI) reports showed that inflation picked up in August, with headline prices increasing by 0.6% from July to August and by 3.7% from August 2017 to August 2018. This was primarily due to rising energy prices. The stock market was a bit of a mess as investors anticipated next week's Fed meeting where the central bank will decide if additional interest rate increases are required. Next week, according to the CME FedWatch tool, the Fed will cease raising interest rates. 97% of the time, which is an increase from 90% a day ago. At the end of the day, the S&P and Nasdaq were up by 0.12 and 0.2%, respectively, while the Dow was down by 0.2%. TradingView data indicates that after the CPI report, Bitcoin's BTC price went up at first, reaching a high of $226,416 in the afternoon, before falling back to support above $26,100, which has been a constant level of support. Wednesday's trade letter from MN Trading, which was based on the CPI, stated that when interest rates are raised rapidly, the market performance of riskier assets tends to deteriorate. Don Fopen, an analyst at MN Trading, stated that for a long time it appeared that we were stuck in a downward spiral. However, recent CPI reports indicate that inflation has been slowing, which gives the Fed fewer reasons to continue aggressively raising interest rates, thereby allowing risky assets to increase in value once more. Falcon examined Bitcoin's price behavior and remarked that on high timeframe charts, the weekly wicks appear quite uncertain and the chart as a whole appears somewhat unstable. Foppin said yes, technically we are still in an uptrend, which is something to consider, but the overall structure of the weekly time frame is not very reassuring. There was a big move up, followed by a strong move down, followed by a retracement back to the weekly FVG, where we again saw a strong decline. We also have similar lows on the fall, which makes it likely that the price will move in the same direction. When we examine the daily time frame, the price has similar lows on both sides. According to Falcon, this is an additional reason why an initial decline is probable. He stated that these levels are used to generate liquidity. What we can see, and what is very likely to be true, is that these equal lows have formed above an imbalance on the daily period. Consequently, the price has two reasons to decline: first, to remove liquidity from below the equal lows, and second, to fill the imbalance. 5000. Bitcoin is no longer a small part of the financial world, it is now a worldwide movement that is used and known by many people. This speech was not the end of Dorsey's journey with Bitcoin. In reality, it was just the start. In 2018, Square, a company he helped start that provides financial services, added Bitcoin trading to its Cash App so that users could buy, sell, and keep Bitcoin. Block has become a big player in the crypto space thanks to his leadership. He has invested in Bitcoin infrastructure and worked on projects to make Bitcoin easier to use and more accessible. As Bitcoin continues to change and shape the future of finance and technology, Jack Dorsey's early support and continued commitment to the cryptocurrency show how revolutionary Bitcoin is and how it could change the way standard financial systems work. Cryptocurrencies traded in a holding pattern on Wednesday after the latest consumer